Give me a kiss. Bye-bye. Love you. What we call in our language is conjuice. You're actually holding back your money. So what this smart meter lets me do is actually hold that back, because I don't need to spend the money on a light switch that I don't need on this side of the room, where I'm actually sitting on that side of the room. For me, a silent house is no home. Being outnumbered by the children, for them it's got its benefits because they can get their way. Not for me anymore. I don't watch TV, for example, anymore. Upstairs they're making videos on the phones. Fun times, but when they show me, I'm like, what have you just started doing? It's also important for my kids and my wife to understand what spend is and what we need to spend. But with the in-home display, I got the girls around, I sat down to them, I go, look, this is what we're using right now. So on purpose, I didn't switch anything off. And I said, this is what we're spending right now. So one by one, Halima Sadia, my oldest daughter, go switch the light off in the kitchen. And they saw that drop down. If my daughter sees the in-house display, for example, and we don't need to be using something, and they say they cut down on that because daddy, you're helping doing this and you're helping the environment, and then that's perfect. For the future and for the long term, I think knowing what you're spending and where you can control it, it's going to be a basic habit and necessity for the future. I think is having control of your spending.
What makes you say,
Because I can now see what I'm doing. I think Eon Next was perfect for me.